Wow, this lamp is so cool. I wonder why it oozes around like that. It's so hypnotic.
It has to do with convection currents.
Okay, but I'm still confused.
Just hear me out. You know what density is. If something is very dense, do you think it would be more likely to sink or float in water?
Well, I know rocks are dense, so if it's very dense, then it must sink. If it wasn't, then it would float.
Exactly. That's what's happening with globs and the lava lamp.
What do globs have to do with rocks?
Well, the globs start at the bottom and they get hot because of the light bulb. When they do, they become less dense and then start floating to the top. Since the top is furthest away from the heat source, then they eventually start to cool. And what do you think happens to the globs when they cool?
Well, if they become less dense by the bulb, then they must become more dense away from the bulb or heat source.
And what do you think happens to the globs when they become more dense?
Well, then they're like rocks and probably start to sink, right?
Exactly. And then the cycle starts all over. This is why the globs keep going up and down as long as the lamp stays lit.
That's awesome. I can think of a couple more examples. Can you?